Presenting the Noise Earbuds. Life on the go has never been easier. These in-ear buds are lightweight, weighing at just 4.5 grams. You can listen to music and talk at ease for up to 20 hours in total, with 4 hours on single charge and an additional 16 hours with the charging case. Noise Earbuds are completely wireless, fitting snugly in the ear. Rest easy as they are also sweat and water resistant with IPX4 rating. Noise Earbuds bring you powerful sound through 13mm dynamic sound drivers. The earbuds can be charged with a Type-C USB charger and connect easily to Bluetooth 5.0. The buds boast of touch controls. You can manage calls, change tracks, adjust volume, or even summon your personal assistant with just a few touches. The Noise Earbuds are available in icy white. Inside the box, you will find one Bluetooth headphone, one charging case, one charging cable, one user manual, thank you card, and one pairing card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing these earbuds by Noise. So these are Noise earbuds. They're truly wireless earphones. As you can see, it says #music every day. Alright, icy white color. Okay, full touch controls. It has 20 hours of total playtime, so that's probably taking the earbuds plus the case, the combined output will give you 20 hours of total playtime. They are IPX4 water resistant, and they have USB-C type charging. Oh, that's cool. USB Type-C charging, great. So what else have we got? Right, they contain one Bluetooth headphone, one charging case, cable, a user manual, a pairing card, and okay, let's just go ahead. It says model ID is T6, whatever that is. Okay, let's just go ahead and unbox this. All right. Over here you have the earbuds. Now they come in this nice foam packing which keeps them protected, and they're pretty secure. This is a nice touch by Noise. You get a USB Type-C cable. Let me just open that, show that to you guys. So there is a USB Type-C charging cable that comes with it, and you get the earbuds themselves. So you get that's the case. It says Noise, as you can see, Noise Earbuds. Now this is a 500 mAh charging case, just closing at the bottom. Let me go ahead, open it up and show you the earbuds themselves. There you have it. Those are the earbuds, and they're quite neat. Very nice design, small. I'll show you, bring it into focus. There you go. So these are now in focus. So these are the earbuds themselves, as you can see. Alright. And there should be some documentation also, which I will just show you. So the documentation is actually at the bottom. You remove this layer and you get the documentation. So you got a warranty card. There's a user manual, so it tells you getting started with your earbuds. Please charge them, tells you how to pair that. We'll show you how to do that. That off to the side, and this over here, these tell you about the controls. So tap the left earphone once. Okay, so these are all the user manual basically with your instructions as to how to actually control the device. Okay, so there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the Noise Earbuds.